Meet Daisy, she's got a way of making beautiful things. You never know what nature will teach her, what inspiration will bring. DIY, DIY, Daisy, what are we making today? DIY, DIY, Daisy, I bet we'll make something great.
Hello, Gumboot Kids.
Hi, Daisy.
I was just relaxing in my garden, trying to think of a craft to make when inspiration literally hopped up to me, a little bunny. I love bunnies, especially their soft, floppy ears. Would you like to make a sock bunny with me, Gumboot Kids?
Yay!
Step 1. Let's observe some bunnies. What do you notice about them?
They have whiskers. They have soft fur. And they can jump really high.
Good observations, Gumboot Kids. Now, step 2. Let's gather our craft supplies. You'll need an odd sock and some rice. Pour the rice into the sock. It might help to put the rice in a cup and stretch the opening of the sock around the cup. That way you won't spill the rice. Then, use an elastic band to tie off the sock. You've just made your bunny's body. Next, pour a little more rice into the sock. This is your bunny's head. Then, tie it off again.
Can you please help me with the elastic? Of course. Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Let me help you with yours. Thank you. It's perfect.
Great! Step 3. Cut the top off of your socks. You'll want to cut them into the shape of bunny ears. That's it. Now, tie a piece of ribbon around your bunny's neck and just below its ears for decoration. Looking good! Finally, use a felt marker to draw your bunny's face. You can even add a pom-pom for its tail. And remember, there's no right or wrong way to make a nature craft, so have fun.
I love making nature crafts. Here's a piece of ribbon for you. Thank you.
Okay, Gumboot Kids, let's see what you've made.
I love it. Me too. She's so cute.
You're right. They are so cute. Look, I found the perfect use for my odd socks. Sock bunnies. Don't you just love them? See you next time, Gumboot Kids.
Goodbye, Daisy.